babies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna show you what's inside on my kikay kit. So without further now, let's get started. Ginagamit ko tuwing aayos ako. Yung mga lagi kong ginagamit. So, first is powder. Next is moisturizer. Tapos, itong pabango ko, sugar dolls. Tapos, lip tint, sugar dolls din. Tapos, eyelash curler. Tapos, next is yung Nivea Micellar Cleanser. Ito yung pangtanggal ko ng makeup. Next is strobe stick. Highlighter from Care. Tapos next is lip balm from Sugar Dolls. Next is powder ink from Sugar Dolls ulit. Lip scrub from Lancem Cosmetics. Next is kilay. Kasi ako nagkikilay, kaya yun na. Next is blush on. Blush on. Next is matte lip tint. Powder matte lip tint. So, yun lang yung laman ng kit ko. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button